Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Revving their shit, just flying out of here so they can rev their engine. They always do dumb shit. Oh!
Hey, we're taking that curve with us.
Good job, Kirby.
We own it. Own it.
Say that.
Grass isn't even growing unless so many people ran on top of that. Go get him, cop.
Hello,
Go
Mr.
get
Officer.
him.
You wanna
Go
go get him? The f just gonna sit there? Wow. Good job.
Coca. Bố chạy càng vừa rồi luôn. What the f.
To be super accurate, and then you can understand how systems might have built-in, like your phone, right? Like it'll finish a word, but it might not be the word that you were intending to finish, right? So last night I look up, the anthems are on in the Edmonton-Dallas game, right?
Too big for you, asshole! You! There you go.
Party all the time, party all the time.
What the?
And for those who don't know, yeah, the solstice marks the return of the
Oh no.
Damn, that was
so
crazy,
like
bro.
The deepest
Did that
darkest
car just stop out of
point.
nowhere?
Yeah, it just stopped out of nowhere.
And yet there's like
Yo, what the? Damn.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.